Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Sarosh Ashmat Lodi, Vice Chancellor, faculty members, graduating students, and their proud parents, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I am elated to be here on the auspicious occasion of the 32nd Convocation of NED University. I have also had the opportunity to interact with some of NED's students and faculty members. Their commitment to innovation and pursuit of excellence is admirable. I am also delighted to hear about the vast array of courses being offered by NED. I am sanguine that these courses would have equipped members of graduating class with the skills so critical to thrive in today's ever-changing world. Speaking of change, all of us here are aware of the havoc that the preceding year's flood wreaked on our province. Climate change is real, and unless we take serious and immediate steps to reverse environmental degradation, climate change would fundamentally change the world we inhabit in. It is thus imperative for Pakistan to make greater strides in the realm of renewable energy, mass transit, and urban planning. The role of young graduates like you would be of paramount importance. It is the quality of our institutions and the spirit of our youth that may determine our fate. Will we achieve our rightful place in the comity of nations, or will we merely crawl to our impending doom? I would also like to take a moment to address the parents of the graduating class. As parents we often preserve each day to be able to send our children to institutions like these. Today is a much about you and as it is about your children. I would like to express my gratitude to you for raising a new generation of engineers, architects, and innovators. For your service and hard work, this city and this country remain indebted to you. Towards the end, I would like to say that we cannot move forward unless we acknowledge the mistakes of our past. Unfortunately, ills like dogmatism and extremism have seeped through our society, obviating critical thinking and innovation. Unsurprisingly, while global technology giants continue to invest in other countries in the region, our graduates are often forced to either relocate or contend with jobs that provide little fulfillment. I would encourage teachers throughout Pakistan to promote critical thinking, encourage intellectual inquiry, and foster greater debate within their own classrooms. Dogma and intolerance ought to have no place in our educational institutions in this day and age. I would now extend my heartfelt felicitation to the entire graduating class, particularly the female students in the graduating class. I am conscious of the challenges that women opting for engineering college have to face in our society. I congratulate you all for surmounting all such challenges. In the end, I leave you all with Robert Frost's words, and I quote, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. May God bless you all. Thank you.